I want to say a big thank you to the team for very kindly sending out these really great earbuds. We've been testing them out for a few days now, and these are fantastic. They are clip-on earbuds, and I was not expecting them to be this good. If you don't like the feeling of in-ear buds, anything that puts pressure on your ears or your ear canal, these are for you. So first of all, they are just 4.7 grams each, so super lightweight, really feather-like feeling. The little spring clips mean they sit on the edge of your ear instead of inside it. So there's no soreness, no slipping, no adjusting all the time, particularly if you're very active, if maybe you're a runner or you go to the gym and your earbuds tend to move or fly out, which that happens to me quite often. These are going to be really fantastic and sturdy. So if you do lots of physical exercise, maybe you do cycling, lots of HIIT workouts, lots of dynamic fitness, these are going to be absolutely fantastic. Performance-wise, they have a really great sound. They run on Bluetooth, so the connection is super stable, even through walls. There's really low latency and there's no lag. They have a really great bass and the sound is focused towards the ear, not blasting out around. So if you go in a public space like a train or a bus, no one else is going to be hearing everything you're listening to. It's also great for focus as well, so you've got a really good awareness of your surroundings. It also handles calls really well, so you can hear the conversations fantastically. The battery life has been really good as well. It's about 6.5 hours, and then the case itself has about 40. And from 0 to full charge, it's only about an hour and a half. So it's really fantastic. They're also sweat proof and water resistant. So if you do go out into the rain, you are a runner perhaps, you're going to have that reassurance that they're going to be absolutely fine. And the earbuds do have physical buttons rather than touch buttons, so you're going to have a really good control about what's going on with your earbuds. So overall, if you want a really comfortable, low pressure, clip-on earbud experience, I really do recommend giving these ones a try. They've been a really great experience for us this week, and I'm genuinely impressed.